Let's save the earth one bottle at a time.
In a recent study by Washington-based environmental consultant Jeffrey Morris, the emissions calculated for the entire recycling process uses 11.3 million British thermal units, which are units of energy, to manufacture new products from 1 ton of recycled material. In comparison, manufacturing goods from brand new materials uses 23.3 million British thermal units. Ton for ton, recycling reduces more pollution, saves more energy, and reduces emissions more than any other waste management option. Californians currently throw away millions of tons of recyclable materials every year. According to the California Integrated Waste Management Board, over 60% of the garbage in California landfills can be composed or recycled. Recycling should be California's priority strategy for reducing global warming effects associated with solid waste management. Some of my favorite things to do are driving my car and singing. Jamming on my guitar, but probably most of all, I love playing basketball. When I am playing basketball or doing any other physical activity, I have a bottle of water or a bottle of Gatorade nearby, as do most of my teammates. So, as a team, we can go through a lot of plastic. Bottled water produces up to 1.5 million tons of plastic waste per year. According to Food and Water Watch, that plastic requires up to 47 million gallons of oil per year to produce. Using a lot of plastic wastes a lot of energy, which puts more CO2 into our atmosphere. So therefore, another thing I love to do is recycle my bottles. There are 2 ways I like to recycle my bottles. Me and my friend LaKenya saved up a bunch of bottles and cans for a couple months, and now we're turning them into our local recycling center. At these local recycling centers, they give you cash for your bottles, cans, glass, metal, and anything you can think of that you can recycle. The bottles are weighed here rather than checked in individually, so the amount of money you get depends on the weight you accumulate. On this trip, we got $41. Also, on the campus at Cal Poly Pomona, we have this awesome machine that gives you points for every bottle or can you turn in. This program provides easy ways to recycle, rewards for doing so, information about what's happening with the environment today, and all in a positive way. The program doesn't want to point out the problems of the world, they want to make a solution. And one of the most favorable things about recycling with Greenopolis is that when you accumulate points, you can use them to buy things and get coupons for almost about anything. And my favorite, you can donate your points, which translate to money, to many different charities. Everyone can contribute to saving our environment, even if it's something small like recycling plastic bottles. A little help from everyone goes a long way. So, I know it's a long shot, but maybe we can make a difference and help our atmosphere.